Hey guys, in the previous videos we discussed 4-point and 8-point decimation in time and decimation in frequency FFT algorithm. There we found DFT. Actually those algorithms we used to find DFT. In the sense we had a DFT block with DIT-FFT or DIF-FFT, right? And input was x of n in time domain, output was x of k in frequency domain. Okay, so we use DIT-FFT and as well as DIF-FFT to find DFT. Now in this video we are going to find IDFT, inverse discrete Fourier transform, where input is actually frequency domain and output is time domain. So using both DIT and DIF, decimation in time and decimation in frequency. Now the flow graph is to find IDFT, the flow graph is same as to find DFT using decimation in frequency. Let me just plot the flow graph. Now here input is in frequency domain, and output is in time domain. Since it is decimation in time, so time has to be in decimated order: x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. And input is frequency will be in the normal order: x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. Mind you, these are all capital X, these are all in frequency domain. Okay, we will be having two stages, stage 1 and stage 2. So stage 1 will be having bigger butterfly, lower end multiplied by -1 and lower right leg, so it is W4 power -0. Okay, so the total factors power here is minus everywhere. So this is W4 power -1. So this is W4 power -0 and this is W4 power -0, and at the end I have to scale it by 1/4. Whatever the output we get at the end, I have to scale it by 1/4. So where W4 power -0 is what? E power j 2 pi by 4 into 0, which is equal to 1. W4 power -1 is e power j 2 pi by 4, which is equal to e power j pi by 2, which is j. Okay, so this value will be j and these values will be 1. So we shall take up one example. So to find IDFT, so find IDFT of the sequence x of k is equal to 6 minus 2 plus 2j minus 2 minus 2 minus 2j using decimation in time fast Fourier transform algorithm. Solution: so this is in frequency, this is in time. So frequency in normal order, so x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, and these values are 6 minus 2 plus 2j minus 2 minus 2 minus 2j, and this is x of 0, x of 1, x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. So output is scaled by 1/4. So first stage, this is 1, so 6 minus 2, which is 4, and I have 6 coming here, minus into minus plus 2 is 8, and so scaled by 1, so I end up with 8. minus 1. This here total factor is j plus j. So I have minus 2 plus 2j added with minus 2 minus 2j. I have minus 2 and minus 2, which is minus 4, and plus 2j minus 2j cancels out. Now I have minus 2 plus 2j subtracted with minus 2 minus 2j. So I have minus 2, minus into minus plus, plus 2, so it is 0, and I have plus 2 coming here, minus into minus plus 2j, so it is 4j, plus 4j, and j times j is minus 1, so I end up with minus 4. Next stage, this is minus 1, so I have 4 coming here, minus 4, which is 0, and I have 4 coming here, minus into minus plus 4, which is 8, minus 1. Since the scaling factor is 1, so I end up with the same number. So I have 4 coming here, 8 coming here, minus 4, which is 4, and I have 8 coming here, minus into minus plus 4, which is 12, and scaled by 1 I end up with the same number. So now therefore 0 scaled by 4 is 0, 8 scaled by 4 is 2, 1 by 4, sorry, so 8 scaled by 1 by 4 is 2, 4 scaled by 1 by 4 is 1, 12 scaled by 1 by 4 is 3. So therefore, since this is in decimated order, I have to put it in normal order. X of n is 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is the IDFT using DIT FFT algorithm. So basically the pattern of DIT FFT algorithm to find IDFT is same as the pattern of DIF FFT algorithm to find DFT. Only difference is the total factors are minus here, okay, and at the end I have to scale it by 1 by 4 everywhere. That is the difference.